Let's see if you got it right. Are you ready? B, down the laces to the heel, round the toe. B, I, well done. Down the insect's body and a dot for his head. B, I, excellent. Down knobby over his net. B, I, bin. Well done. Let's have a go at another one. Let's see what Fred wants us to write. Ooh, are you ready? Fred says, bad. Bad, well done. B-a-d. Bad. Bad. Can you have a little go? Don't forget to pinch your sounds to help you. Let's have a go together. What sound can you hear first? B, well done. It's b, b, b again. Down the laces to the heel, round the toe. B, well done. Round the apple, down the leaf. B, d, well done. Round the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. Well done. Let's have a go at one more. Are you ready? Okay. This might be a tricky one. Are you ready? Fred says, k-it. Kit. Well done. K-it. Kit. What sound do you need first? Have a go. Kit. Let's do it together. Ready? Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. Don't worry if you got the curl around the caterpillar, because it still makes that sound, but in kit, like we get our PE kit, it is k for kangaroo. But don't worry if you got curl around the caterpillar. K-I, well done. Down the insect's body and a dot for his head. K-I-t, excellent. Down the tower, across the tower. K-it, kit. Well done. You've done really, really well today. I wonder if you could have a go at writing any of the words with our f sound in today. And I'll see you tomorrow for another speed sound lesson.